Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today we are reviewing the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. Tarte Cosmetics is famous for their shape tape. So the difference of this comes with a sponge on the bottom. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's just a regular Tarte Shape Tape, like a jumbo size one, and it comes with this. I have my phone. I'm gonna read to you guys the claims about this glow wand. So it claims it is perfect for lift up under your eyes, and it helps boost radiance and smooth appearance of skin with microfine pearl pigments. It's diamond complex technology that diffuses light to create a soft focus effect. And it's this applicator on the bottom. It says it's a removable sponge for easy application and blending. So it also says it is a brightening concealer. This retails for $27 and it's available at Ulta Beauty. So I'm going to show you up close the sponge, and this is the wand, how it looks like. And I have mine in the shade Alight. So this is the shade Alight. I'm gonna apply it right now, just like regular. My honest opinions about this Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. It's not, well, to be honest with you, it's okay. But I do recommend just stick with the original Tarte Shape Tape that blew off the internet like crazy, went viral. Just stick to the original Tarte Shape Tape without the wand, because it's not worth getting this glow wand with it. I just recommend just get the original Tarte Shape Tape by itself, because it is very pigmented and it is glowy. But I just don't like this sponge right here. This sponge, first of all, this sponge is super tiny and it blends the concealer out well, but I just wish it was a little bit bigger. The sponge, I find it to be too small, but if it was a little bit bigger, I would blend this out much easier. But it definitely took a while for me to blend this out. But overall, I do love it. Tarte Shape Tape has been my concealer for a very long time, but I just don't like the bottom part of it. So if you are interested in getting this Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand, it's available at Ulta Beauty for just $27. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this review off of the glow wand of the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here or right here, and I'll see you in my next video.